Education professionals are busy and under pressure. So it's my job to distill 28 years of experience and knowledge into that one thing that they'll walk out of the room with, that will change their way of thinking, change their way of working. How do I achieve this? Well, put it this way. We don't need to know how electricity works in order to get light. We just need to know how to switch the light on. My name's Nicola Morgan. I'm an international education consultant, teacher, and author with a reputation of managing the most challenging behaviour and also motivating and inspiring staff to implement long-term and lasting change. Having failed hard and then successfully completed the English Channel Swim solo, I pride myself in researching and specialising in two key areas: resilience and behaviour. And this means that you can empower the way that you and your team effectively manage and overcome difficulty. Whether your biggest challenge is resilience, improving the behaviour of children and young people, having those tricky conversations, well, let's face it, life in general, I can deliver for you a successful, interactive and personalised talk full of high energy and relevance. People leave my events buzzing and they're fired up and ready to go with actions they can implement immediately. Even more so, people will leave your event saying, I need to do this. I can do this. I want to do this. Excited? I am. I love doing this. Get in touch. I can't wait to chat it through with you.